So, when getting a new device, the average person checks out for these key features. 1. The battery life, the camera, and the cost. Maybe the design. In my experience, this is mostly correct. The new Tecno Spark 9T is almost the perfect fit in getting most of these attributes at a low cost of about 78,300 Naira, or call it about $130. Now, if this price range suits your budget, then this video is for you. The first thing you will see when unboxing is the smartphone wrapped in plastic that shows some highlights of the device. There is a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a plastic hard case, the earphones alongside with a USB Type-C cable and a 10-watt charger, kinda slow, and of course a SIM ejector too. The device I have here is a Burano blue color and has an ultra slim design. It has a somewhat glossy finish which unfortunately attracts a lot of fingerprints and stains. It will stop at nothing boldly inscribed at the back of the device. The Tecno Spark 9T has the power button and the volume rocker keys at the right, which the power button also serves as a fingerprint. And on the left side, we've got a SIM card tray that can take a dual nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the rear, we've got the headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and the speaker grill, leaving the top of the device plain. At the back of the device is the triple camera setup that comprises a 13 megapixel main sensor, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, a VGA sensor for low light detection, and a dual flash. The 6.6-inch HD display gadget offers somewhatly okay but could be better pixel density of 267 and a resolution of 720 by 1612 HD display. The display is clear enough and enjoyable to watch videos and other media. It also helps that it has a fast enough refresh rate. This will encourage individuals who have used a smartphone with a quicker refresh rate. Aside from that, the device is amazing for night selfies. A flash is mounted on the top of the display. The MediaTek Helio G37 octa-core CPU powers the Tecno Spark 9T. It's a 12 nanometer processor which is considered outdated by today's standards, yet it is still a good mid-range gaming device as evidenced below. According to the benchmark I've conducted, it can handle most 3D games at a low to medium graphics level. General performance is not bad with 4 GB of RAM and main fusion technology which adds an additional 3 GB of RAM for a total of 7 GB, which I think is a fantastic idea as Tecno has done great, or should I say a fantastic job. For software, Android 12 is what comes with the Spark 9T, but with a new custom software which is the iOS 8.6. It has some new features and a better user interface. The notification center may be accessed by swiping from the top left corner, and setting panels can be accessed by swiping from the right. Bloatware is still present, but it isn't as obtrusive as I expected. Because of memory consumption, I believe Tecno could do a better job of not introducing superfluous apps. The Spark 9T's selling point is that it shoots good looking daytime photographs with good enough information, balancing colors, decent dynamic range, and nice exposure for mostly the front camera, or call it the selfie camera, but I believe the rear camera also still does a pretty good job. And there could be a potential improvement there because there are some sharpness irregularities. I like how detailed and vivid most of the photographs are all the same. The battery on the Spark 9T is 5000 mAh, which I believe will be more than enough for the average user. On a single charge, it can last a full day, depending on each individual's usage. Of course, the Tecno Spark 9T is a mid-range device, and I think it's not bad for the price range. However, the experience is premium for an average user. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please like and subscribe to my channel till we see you again. Bye bye.